Let's meet Sunny, a senior ecology student pursuing his bachelor's degree at Aaniiih Nakoda College. Focused on studying environmental issues that impact his community's land and water, Sunny is taking full advantage of the unique research opportunities available at ANC to make a meaningful difference. Take it away, Sunny.
Thanks, Alex. I didn't know where I wanted to go for college or what I wanted to do, but I knew I liked science in high school. Aaniiih Nakoda College had just offered this ecology program, so I figured I'd give it a try. Plus, it was near home and I'd save money, so it was the right decision. I really like how ANC implements Indian ways in the classroom. When I first came here, I didn't know much about my people, but now I know a lot more, and that's important to me. I also know more about the earth and the environment because of the ecology program. In the classroom, I've collaborated with other science programs to expand my knowledge. Outside of the classroom, I got hands-on experiences doing important research in my field. We take trips to places like the Milk River to collect water samples, grass samples, and bug samples, and my internships at ANC were also very hands-on. The Buffalo Center was fun because I worked with different keystone species like bison, prairie dogs, and bees. They're a main part of our ecosystem, and removing them would be drastic. That's why the work at the Buffalo Center is so important. My other internship was with the Water Center. A long time ago, people mined our little rocky mountains for gold, and it impacted the water quality in a bad way. So we researched water samples and macroinvertebrates to help determine water quality. This internship prepared me for my future and my current job. Everyone at Aaniiih Nakoda College is supportive and helpful. I'm excited to continue working in hydrology, and being at the Water Center gives me access to learn more. Water is important, it's limited, and we can't mess this up. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Sunny. By gaining the knowledge needed to protect and preserve your community's natural resources and being guided by your cultural values and traditions, you are making a significant impact. Your commitment to the environment and your community is truly inspiring. We know we'll see big things from you. Thanks again.